Are you struggling with bugs in your garden? Too many bad ones, not enough good ones? Well, you're not alone. And in this week's Quick Gardening Tips, I'm going to share with you a really easy way to attract more pollinators to your garden, deter pests from your garden, and make it a more enjoyable space for you as well. This is In the Garden. Dealing with bugs in the garden can be super frustrating. Not only are you trying to keep the bad bugs out, but you're also trying to get the good bugs in, like pollinators. One of the best and easiest ways you can do this is by planting companion flowers. Companion flowers are just regular flowers that you plant in your vegetable garden. You plant them right there with your tomatoes, right next to your squash, and that helps to attract pollinators to come into your garden, like bees and butterflies, but it also, depending on the kind of flowers you plant, you can deter pests from coming into your garden. This is really helpful and super beneficial. And not only that, it makes your garden a really enjoyable place when you go out and there's all these flowers mixed in with all your vegetables. I know I love just hanging out with the tomatoes, but my wife, maybe your spouse, they don't really like hanging out with the tomatoes so much, but you put a few flowers out there, it'll make it a really enjoyable space for your whole family. You can plant almost any kind of flowers you want in your garden, but some are better than others, especially for deterring pests. Things like marigolds, nasturtiums, or lavender are really good choices. Also, planting California poppies, because those grow really well here in the desert, is a really good option for putting your companion flowers into your garden. Have you tried planting flowers in your garden before? If you have, let me know in the comments. What kinds did you plant and how well did it work out? Planting flowers in your garden is really easy and it's a really great way to just improve your garden in a lot of different ways. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you want to get more gardening videos, other great gardening tips to help you be successful in your garden, make sure you subscribe so you can get all my latest videos. And click the bell so you can turn on notifications.